I am live. You know what? I don't even think I was prepared to be live, but I don't think I'm ever ready, really. You know, but I just kind of hit the button, and yeah, it happens. Okay, so hopefully the connection is better this time. Also, yeah, my headphones are super loud. Hold on, I'm like yelling into the mic. Okay, there we go. That's better. All right, so yeah, what am I doing today? What do you think I'm doing today? Crystal. That's what I'm doing. Lucky Web Framework. Yes. Okay. Okay. Yeah, one time I said I was live and like I totally forgot to put the link in there. It's pretty sad. Okay, so Twitter's done, right? Lucky. Wasting no time, right? Okay, actually, you know what? I have one thing to do so I could speed up my slow computer MacBook Pro for 2019. Off stream, hold on. I think, okay, I'm gonna get there right now. Okay, it's done. Okay, so what am I doing? What was I doing before? Lucky Compose, right? I'm just gonna delete Lucky Test. And I hope that I didn't just delete everything that I... Okay, so what do we have here? We've got a bunch of stuff. I don't... Yeah. Let me get into tmux so I see what I'm doing. Okay, so I don't remember what I do. Was I doing this before? Is that what I was doing? Okay, so the database appears to contain a database. Okay. Overmind is running somehow. Oh shoot, Overmind again. I remember this. Okay, maybe I shouldn't do it in tmux. Maybe it like starts tmux for me or something. All right. Dude, my lighting's like so weird. I like really like weirdly washed out. Let me get closer. Hold on. All right, there we go. Okay, so my hat's like really tight too. Like I don't know what that's all about. Okay. I'm gonna build a lightning fast web app. Actually, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna make a to-do app because I don't. That's my like go-to for this kind of thing. Just straight to do, straight up. Twitch says it's excellent bitrate, so hopefully it's working. Oh man. Okay. All right. Man, there we go. It's running at 5,001, but also 3,001. I don't know which one. Okay, so browser sync. All right. Okay, so we're gonna welcome controllers. What was it again? Welcome page, home. There it is, actions, home. Include, allow guests, current user, show. When you're ready, change this. Wait, do I not have the crystal thing syntax highlighting anymore? I'm pretty sure I do. Let me see. Crystal. Let me. Oh, I don't. That's interesting. All right, let me just put this in. Okay. Wait, did it install? Okay. Boot that back up. Actions home. Okay, there we go. It looks a little better. Okay, so we're gonna I went to from a bad song to a worse song. Okay, let's see. So I don't. When you're ready to change, change this line. Change this line to redirect sign-ins new, or maybe show signed out users a marketing page. Marketing index page. I definitely like this. I'm liking how this is looking. It's like a weird. Oh, that doesn't exist. Oh wait, yes it does. Oh, that's a lucky thing. Okay. Yeah, I like that it looks like the page too. That's pretty cool. Home. Oh, it even tells you home index crystal. Generate a model, set of actions. Okay, so we're gonna do to-dos, right? That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna say current user. We're gonna auth allow guests. Can I see what that is? Oh, I can. Included, require, sign in, current user. Wow, it's so like browser action. Browser action? Protect from forgery. Whoa, this is crazy. Enforce underscore route. Enforce underscored route. Disable flock. Part of Google's federated learning of cohorts. Disables. Oh, I didn't know I had to disable this thing. I thought it was just gonna be disabled by default. Dang. Alright. Maybe if I get rid of this, maybe my connection will be better if I just stop looking at the Twitch stream manager. And just rely on OBS. All right. Yeah, I think this looks good. Test backdoor. When testing, you can skip neural by using visit with the as param. Oh, test backdoor. Okay, probably not a great name for something for testing, but that's all right. Expose current user means that it will be passed to pages automatically. In default Lucky apps, the main layout declares it needs current user so that any page main layout. Okay. Include HTML. It needs current user, makes it so that the current user required for pages using main layout. Abstract def content, page title. Okay, welcome. Right, is that what it, welcome to Lucky, right? Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna guess that oh, it's not in app. It's in source. Okay, so actions. Okay, so I don't want to use the generator, but I probably should. Okay, so it says Lucky Gen Resource Browser. So Docker, exec, IT, let me get into my Docker container real quick. Docker, exec, IT, Lucky, compose, Lucky, bin bash. Oh, I didn't put Lucky. No such container. Oh, Lucky 1. Oh, no such container, Lucky 1. Let me just use the ID then. I don't even care about that. Yes. Doesn't exist. Bin sh. There we go. Okay, so Lucky is a thing. Oh wow, it's compiling. Okay. It's okay. It's just gonna be compiling. I swear every time I do anything, it just starts compiling. And it really takes a long time. Because my computer, I guess, is really slow. 2019 MacBook Pro, you know, it's really slow. Okay, so let's look at the guide some more. Let me see. Oh, there's requirements. Oh, it's just homebrew and stuff. I thought there was like a minimum spec thing for compiling. Okay, philosophy, the lucky philosophy. Teams often see catch bugs, spend less time writing tests because the compiler. Conventions break things into discrete pieces so that they are easy to share. Minimize boilerplate code so it's easy to focus. Browser, so lucky routes the HTTP request to an action. Action processes the request. AVRAM to CRUD, Carbon for emails. Action generate lucky delivers response to client. Does Lucky have jobs, like a job runner? Does it have like a sidekick equivalent? Models, queries, okay. Add custom files and folders. Okay, so let me, okay. Can I, what if I just call Lucky again? Does it, oh, it's gonna compile again. Oh, wow, okay. Yeah, maybe this is something that I'm doing wrong. Maybe because it's Docker, it doesn't understand that I just want to run it again. I don't want to like compile every time. Okay, so Lucky generate, right? Let's go back to that page. Lucky gen resource browser to do has a name and it's a string. Generate, nice, it generated. Well, that was quick. Like Lucky by itself like compiles, but Lucky help, oh wow, never mind. Okay, cool, sweet, never mind. For some reason the generate was like a different thing. Okay, so it made a migration, right? I'm gonna stop that. Okay, so it made a migration, create to-dos, right? And let's look at create users. Create table for user, primary key, ID, int64. Nice. Add timestamps. First. Ooh, bold. Name. Okay, name is string. I'm gonna also do done at, and it's gonna be like a date time, I think. Done at. Okay. And then, all right, so we're gonna do that. We're gonna migrate. Lucky DB migrate. I'm gonna assume that's what it is. Okay, oh, it doesn't like that. Undefined constant daytime. Okay, let's do time. Let's try that. Is that a thing? What if I go into add timestamps? Add timestamps. Okay. Let's look at database. Migrations. Generating timestamps, fill existing, column type, custom SQL. No, we're not gonna. Generating migration, table 4, pluralized and underscored. Non-default. Okay. Create table. Create a view. Primary keys, UUID. Timestamps. Time. Okay, so it is time. All right. Okay, so Lucky DB migrate. Yeah, I need like a. Oh, jeez. Okay, compiling. Everything needs to be compiled. Even command line stuff needs to do compiling for some reason. It looks like I'm still okay. I mean, yeah, connection's definitely better. Alright, compiling. Do I just like, I don't know what I'm gonna do. Like, I'm just kinda, you know? Let me check my, okay, oh, my trackpad's done. Here, I can do this instead. Yeah, the new, you know what, the new Mac Studio, I do like it. But it's $2,000 for M1 Max chip, and it just sits there, and I mean, it's better than a trash can, but like, not much better, you know? I mean, I guess you don't look at it, but yeah, like if you MacBook Pro 14-inch starts at $2,000, like I could live with a 14-inch, honestly. But yeah, the notch, I can't live with the notch. See, this one doesn't have a notch. See, just make the bezel bigger. Don't add a notch. I hate that. Like, look at how, like, it's okay. This is not bad, right? Like, this kind of situation, not horrible. But this, like, what is happening with that? I mean, I might still get the Mac Mini, maybe. I don't know. I mean, I'll just keep with my computer till it falls apart, maybe. I mean, the M1 stuff is it's really cool, I guess. But yeah, I guess I don't really need it. Did you? Oh my gosh, I did mean. Okay, man. Every time I type something with Lucky, it's like I'm like, oh man, I don't want to make the wrong choice here. It's definitely a different flow, you know. Volume, source target, shards lib. Okay, so I'm definitely, the volume is here. So it should be saving stuff to disk. Postgres and shards lib, and then source volumes, Postgres data, node modules, shards lib. But then type bind. Okay, so it should be binding, I guess. Okay, all right. So it created the to-dos. But now I'm not sure. It's reloading browsers. Oh, pending migrations. And okay. What if I just get around browser sync? Oh, it's just not up at all. Okay. All right. Like, do I have to unhandled except do I have to like reset? Is it compiling? All right, well, I guess I could look at what it did. Let's see. So it created a bunch of stuff. It created a migration. So that's a to-do, save to-do. Oh, I see. Okay, so this yeah, okay. So it's funny. Crystal actually is like ahead. It's like it was ahead of me. It was way ahead of me. Queries, right? Operations, which I call actions, but yeah, and then there's a model, and then actions are controllers, but each controller has its own file, and so like it's more like a view, right? And then each there's also pages. So there's pages, actions. Okay, I mean this does make sense. It's just a lot. It's a lot of files. I think maybe if I just restart this, I don't. Let me exit out of here. Let me delete that stupid overmind sock before I forget. All right, there we go. Okay, so I'm gonna start it back up again, and hopefully it'll be ready to go, right? Eventually. Okay, let's look at to-dos new, right? Because that's what I'm gonna be into here. Yeah, my C tag's not really working for Crystal. Interesting. What are you gonna do? New page. Okay. I do like this actually, but there's just like a lot of like empty space, because like you're not gonna do like a post here, right? You know what I mean? Like you're not gonna do that. But I like the idea of like the class and the blocks and everything instead of like methods, because then you could like easily see at a glance like where, and then but I think you also, oh, there is no centralized routes, right? Is that app source app? Okay. Oh, there's also no like Zeit work either. Let me see. Config colors route helper. But yeah, there's no pages. Package JSON. Yeah, you definitely need that. Tasks. Okay, there's like a runner. Man, luck, it's a lot of stuff. There's a lot of stuff. I guess it's good though. Config server, right? Okay, so there is no like centralized route thingy, right? Like in Rails. That's okay. I mean, I guess the files will tell you, like if you type in to do, and you could see all this stuff, right? And you could like see what's gonna happen. So let me, to save user provided params, you must permit them. Saving records. Wow, it's really cool that it has URLs to everything though. I just have to pay attention. Allowing params to be saved with permit columns. By default, you won't be able to set any data from params. This is a security measure to make sure that parameters can only be set. It says to save user, but setting the name is okay. Okay, so let's save to do. What else is there? To do query. Okay. So here needs operation. Needs operation. Okay, and that was the okay. Okay, so you're kind of like you're like declaring whatever, right? So this one I do need done at though too, right? Oh no, I guess I don't. Yeah, I do, because it's gonna be a you're gonna like tick it off, right? Like it's a checkbox. Let's see, is it still compiling? Okay, oh, I'm back in business. I think I'm back in business. I'm pretty sure. I mean, it says app running. Oh, it says compiling. Because I saved it. I saved the file. That's my fault. I gotta stop saving. Okay, so needs operation. Quick def. Page title. Quick def. Oh, like an inline function. It's like, so instead of saying like page title and then like new to do, right? Is that, I'm pretty sure that's what that means. Oh my gosh, I just saved again. Oh, can't permit because the column has not been defined on the model. Interesting. Wow, it didn't, wait, did it not migrate the thing? Oh my gosh, it didn't even have, oh, because it generated this. Wow, so you have to define in two places, you have to do it in two places. You have to do this. And then I save again. Man, this compiling, yeah, you know, it's like my system just isn't, it's not strong enough. It's not fast enough to handle Lucky's stuff. Okay, so quick def it's kind of cool. Okay, let's see, render to do form. Oh, it's right here. Render to do form for to do's create. Yeah, I did like this. The strong, you use the class or the symbol of the thing, so then you can easily see where it's going. Right, it's going here, and then mount form fields. Mount, dang, that's crazy. Okay, wow, that's interesting. Mount form fields. So form fields are mounted. Mount shared field. How deep does it go? Shared field. This component is used to make it easier to render the same field styles throughout your app. Extensive documentation. Front end. The mount shared field. Op name, operation email input. Okay. All right. Car make. I'm kind of like flying blind though. I don't really know what's going on. I should probably hold on. Oh my goodness. All right. Okay. Oh, it still says excellent. Okay, cool. All right. So, I think it's still compiling. Done compiling. Okay. So it says reloading. Yes, I'm back in business. So I think the trick for me, since like the compiling is gonna take a while, is to like do a bunch of stuff and then have it compile and do not save, right? Okay. Extensive documentation, shared components. Displaying errors, simple example. Class permit columns. Okay, there it is. Needs op save post. I mean, this is okay. Form 4 post update. Okay, let's look at yeah, let's okay, so to-dos index, right? It's gonna be to-dos. Okay, but I think index page? Does it get it from the module name? Is that what it is? To-dos index page? Yeah, it does. Okay, interesting. Okay, so, and then is it to-dos to-do query? To-do query? No, it's not in a module. Okay, so that one, not in the module. All right, let me go to home. And then this one I'm gonna change, right? We're just gonna do this. And we're gonna say, oh, I just saved it. Oh, dang it, frick. That's, oh, okay, so it's not compiling then, right? Must be implemented by home. Okay, I think I'm okay. We're gonna change this to that, and then to-dos. It comes from to-do query. Oh, it's compiling again. Dang it! I'm never gonna get through this. All right, so index page, to-do query. Okay, so I'll go to index page. All right, so I have to actually I have to namespace it now because it's a different one. Okay, all to-dos, new to-do. Okay, so that's what I'm looking for. When this thing is done compiling, oh, can't find overloads. To-dos, index page, new. Okay, what? What's happening? Macro defined. To-dos index page. To-do query. Maybe I don't need that? Oh, it's compiling again. Oh, I think it was just, it didn't like that I had the undefined constant, I think, because I didn't namespace it. I think, I'm not sure. But yeah, so hopefully when this thing's done compiling, because it is still compiling. Look, honestly, I think I need an M1 Mac before I come back to this. This is a lot. Because I just keep hitting save and it keeps compiling, and I'm just sitting here. Oh, you know what? Now, like, since we have some time, I might as well show you what I've been working on lately. So I was a little inspired by whoops. I was a little inspired by Lucky. Oh my gosh, I'm getting like weird dust mites or something. All right, so I kind of just slapped this together. Oh, nice. Okay, so here it is. First sign in. So I see, because I got rid of the allow. Okay, so let me make that change, and then let me save and have it compile, and then I'll come back to that. Okay, so anyway, let me show you what I was working on. So this is not Crystal. This is Ruby, but so I was like, man, wouldn't it be great if I could just like do everything like Rhoda has, you know, like in line, like you just throw a bunch of middleware in there, like so there's no middleware by default. And then, man, wouldn't it be great if it used like a GUI, you know, by default because it's faster. So like I did. So you like define everything, and like if you have some JavaScript here, you know, you could do that. And then it's similar to PropShaft, where like bundle static files doesn't do anything really. It just like takes the files as you have them, and it just puts them on top of one another, right? So it just has new lines separating them. So that's all it does. It just joins with the new line. That's it. That's the whole thing. And like, yeah, if you want to, it'll gzip it, but like, you know, I'm assuming that like Nginx will handle it for you in production. So anyway, it's so simple that I'm kind of like, you know, it's not bad. And then, yeah, so everything you could see all the middleware right here. So like there's no weird like insert before, insert after. Wait, do I need is it done compiling? Oh, shoot, I should have been paying attention. Compiling. It doesn't like the macro. Still. I don't know why. What am I doing wrong here? I don't really know. Okay, so I'm gonna say if current user, and maybe I'll change this, like it said. HTML to-dos index page. Let's see, to-dos index page. If it doesn't work, I'm just gonna go to /to-dos. To-dos actions index. Okay. Okay, so I don't know if it's compiling or what. But it's definitely not loading, right? It's not loading. Yeah, all right. Anyway, so what was I talking about? Oh yeah, that's right. So yeah, so let me bring that back up. Where was it? I don't even know. This option, show all windows, maybe? Oh, I minimized it and then it just went away completely. I don't know where it went. Okay. So anyway, yeah, so this is cool. All the middleware's here, out in front of you, and then front end is handled here, all in line. This is where things get a little like weird, and I don't know like if this is a good idea or not, but basically I have this thing kind of like Lucky HTML, and you can define is it still compiling? I can't really tell. It says compiling, right? Maybe if I try to visit to-dos. Okay, it's still not doing anything. Anyway, so oh, you know what? Maybe I should move this over. I should get like a different one. Or maybe I'll move Lucky over. There we go. Wait. There we go. Okay. So then it doesn't take up like a whole thing. All right. Anyway, so yeah, like it has this component thing because it's tubby, right? So it's similar to Lucky HTML. It's all inline and stuff, but it's not as clean because like the T. But yeah, it's very similar. I've got Tailwind running and everything with Tailwind CLI. You like make components, and this is all defined in the same class. There's only one class, right? There's not like multiple files or anything. It's kind of like, so it's like Sinatra like meets like Rails kind of. So like here's an example, right? So like here's the home page, but like you don't have to put it. You can just do this, right? So similar to Lucky, right? You can just do that. And then, because that's what I was doing there, right? And then you don't have to name this anything. You can just put that there, and then it actually does work. You know, it actually comes up and everything. Whoops, hello. Oh my gosh. Okay. So yeah, it actually does come up. Like it's pretty quick. Okay, so this thing's still not doing anything. But I think it's because it has an error. No overload matches to-dos index page. Okay, so I'm just gonna not do that, and I'm just gonna do I'm just gonna go back to the Lucky page thing. It turns out I wasn't ready, for that. Okay, so okay, now it's compiling. It's weird because like it seems like the compiling happens really quickly, and then sometimes it happens really slowly. Like see, it compiled and then there was an error, so it like returned real fast. It's interesting. Once I get this to-dos thing working, I think my time with Lucky will be over, and I will be happy because my computer's very slow and it can't do anything. Okay, so this is it, right? Oh, you know what? I've got problems, but it doesn't matter. Yeah, I don't know what that's all about. Oh, yeah, I don't care about that. So that's how it works. Yeah, it's not bad. I have to figure out what's up with that static thing, but yeah. So it's all kind of like there in one thing. I don't know if this is good because like I feel like how do I get to you know, like how do I get to the homepage or whatever? Like all these questions that come up. To-dos. Oh my goodness. Okay. That's fine. That's fine. Wait, why? Oh, because this is my okay. Let me turn that off real quick. That's annoying. Passwords. No. Autofill? Okay. Didn't I sign up before? I think I did. Pass. Oh, I didn't like the password. Oh, okay, but I changed it. This is your profile. Okay, so now I'm signed in. To-dos. Oh, because I didn't allow guests, right? Okay. Let me yes, this is looking good. All to-dos. Okay, so if I go new to-do. Nice. Okay. The to-dos don't have any users though, so so yeah. Let's see. New page has a name, but I need it to have render to-do form operation. So if I go to save to-do and I permit the columns done at, it doesn't know how to render the time, I think, because I didn't make it like a checkbox or anything. So I'll probably have to. Oh no, that's actually okay. So shared field, it'll be like operation done at. It'll be a it's not a text input, it's a checkbox. Can I do that? It'll be compiling for a second, but it'll eventually come back. Whoop. Okay, so what did it say? Try allowing the attribute to be filled. Let's look at okay. Let's look at the forms again. Text area. Oh, checkboxes. Okay. Checkbox. All right. Let's see. Checkbox. OP. Oh no, it's operation. Operation. Done at. No. Right? Okay, it says, did you mean operation? I did. And I said it though? Okay, so overloads are. No overload matches checkbox. Do I need to do anything? Like maybe I'll just put in like a class? And that'll be fine? Okay, so mount shared field, operation done at, checkbox. Okay, I don't think it likes this at all. Now that I'm looking at this, I'll probably, doesn't currently support arrays. Using selects with shared field. Okay, so there, maybe I just don't do that, right? Maybe I just don't do shared field. Let's just do checkbox. Operation done at good, I guess. We'll do what they know. Yes, class, whatever, right? Okay, and then maybe that'll work. We're gonna get there. Thing I do see why people I see why people like Svelte, right? Like it's very fast. Wait, this is not it. There's no way. Oh, okay. Well, it's so funny that Svelte. Wait. This. There's an old Svelte, and there's a new Svelte. That is hilarious. I did not know that. That is so funny. Wow, 56k stars. Oh my goodness. Okay, so anyway, yeah, this, whoa, look at this 3D little symbol that someone made. Oh my goodness, looks like a Mac Studio. All right, so write less code. All code is buggy. The more code you have to write, the buggier apps will be. Writing more code also takes more time, leaving less time for other things like nice to have features, or being outdoors instead of hunched over a laptop. In fact, it's widely acknowledged that blah blah blah. Okay, quadratically with the size of the code base, this tracks with our intuitions. A 10-line pull request will get a level of scrutiny. Readability is important. Okay. Yeah. Okay, I'm talking about spelt. Yeah, like, I mean, it's definitely nice, but I guess, like, it doesn't help you where you're like, oh, how do I deploy this? Like, what's up with the database, you know? Oh, I have my checkbox. There it is, right there. Perfect. Yes, amazing. Okay, so I'm gonna go to save to do, and it says permit columns. So I'm gonna go to do actions to do create. There we go. That's what I was looking for. Okay, so now the save to do operation takes in the parameters in create, which I didn't see that defined anywhere, but that's okay. Okay, so create params, do. So if I go to to-dos, update, there's a to-do query find, which I didn't see that defined anywhere either, but that's all right. It should be in the docs. It probably is in the docs. And then update to-do params. Then it takes a block operation and updated to do. If operation saved, I don't really like this. I'm sorry, but I just don't like this. I mean it's maybe it's just like because it's new to me, you know. Redirect. I do like how the classes and stuff can be redirected to. That's kind of nice. All right, let's look at. Okay, so create params to do. So I don't really know, like it's gonna freak out. Like it's not gonna know that the time for done at, you know? Maybe I should have just done like a Boolean thing. Okay, let me go back to the forms, to do form. Okay, so checkbox. We're gonna say a false. Actually we'll say because if you all right. Yeah, I'm not really sure how to like override this now. Let's look at the docs some more. Oh my goodness, I'm really down there. All right, so HTTP and routing. Before and after actions, creating pipes. Pipes must return. Oh, this is like before filters, right? Sharing pipes across actions. Skipping a pipe. Okay, us. Handlers. Oh, you know what? The middleware stack does exist here. Config. Somewhere. Server, maybe? Oh yeah, look at that. Kind of. Not really. Okay, man, there's just so much stuff. It's overwhelming a little bit, but I mean, it helps you, I think. Okay, so, conditionally including, okay, that's not what I wanted. Database, handling files, is it front end? HTML forms? But it's recommended ways to use lucky form helpers, form for method, action class. Okay, form for post create. Okay, like, let me see. So, op, okay. Okay. Asset handling. Ooh. Database. Okay, saving and updating. Here we go. Setting up an operation. When you set up a model, it does some things. It Allowing params to be saved with permit columns. Creating records. If user, okay, updating it. To create a record, you pass a block that is run whether the save is successful or not. You will always receive, but you will only get the saved record if there are no errors while saving. Okay. So, save to do as an operation. Do I like override, create? Saving with update and create. Oh, you know what I can do? I just realized this. I can do, I could just change the params, right? I'm assuming param, I don't even know what params is, but what is params actually? Params. Actions that have params that return a lucky params object to get form params with save. Pest blocks run. Okay, so params is an object. Lucky web params. Lucky params. Okay. Is it good? Do they talk about params? Is there like a reference? Converting JSON params to objects. Okay, let's see. Params from JSON, params body. Oh, here we go. Swapping out the, oh, there's like a whole thing I should have done as a beginner. Okay, here we go. Swapping out the page, updating the layout, adding a wrapper, off layout. CSS framework. Components, operations and factories. Okay, save operations. They handle validations, parameter safety, and other complex business logic. Like this seems like what param key user. Okay, blah blah blah. Playing, you can get a quick feel for these. Okay, let me get a quick feel. I'm gonna feel really quick. Docker container. Did I restart this thing? No, we're still good. Okay, lucky exec. You should now have a code editor open which may still show code from the last time. What? Oh my gosh. Okay, so it actually starts something? Okay, since we're not using a form, we can save without params. Oh, this is perfect. This is exactly what I wanted to see, right? Okay, since we're not using form, hit enter for more information, saving, guide. Setting up operation, params, extra data, perfect. Create params. Oh, you could just put it in there, so it's gonna override the other stuff. I'm guessing. Done at. Like I say, if params, is params like a struct? Like what is it? Like is it a hash? Like it says it's an object, so tracking changed attributes. Oh my goodness. I guess we'll go back to use the password so they match save and exit. Sample data, factory. My turn? Sure. Writing custom queries. Let's see. Beyond the basics. Updating pages. Oh man. Is that simple? Fortunes, error handler. Operation. I guess I could probably say params done at if it's. I can probably do that. let me, there's probably like an API reference or something, or we can look at it. Let me see. Params, lucky params. Okay, there we go. Much better. Let's look at the spec too. Request route params. Okay, so it's an object. New params from JSON, from query, from form data. From form data. Done at equals yes. Then we'll just say other params. No, we'll say because it seems like it has to be like literal. Can we update it? Get raw. So get from the params hash trimmed value. I think trimmed. Retrieve trim value. No key is found. Lucky. Missing param errors. So I think I don't care if it's from form data. I can just say get. Right. Done at equals yes. Yeah. I wonder what happens if it's nil. Get all. Okay. What else is there? Nested. Oh my goodness. So I'm guessing I can't update this to H. Oh my goodness, I can if I just, there's all these private methods too. Okay, so let me do 2H. And then I can probably just pass the hash, it seems like, right? Params 2H. We'll just say perms like that. Or we'll do another one, params like that, and then we'll say params. Is it a nested key string? What is the key? Is a It's nice to see the types though. Oh, it's a string or a symbol. So it's like, okay, so they did like the indifferent. Okay, so where's 2H again? Oh, there it is, 2H. If JSON. Okay, but if it, all right, sure. Okay, so done at equals yes, right? If done at equals yes, params, done at equals time now. Can I do that? Lucky, oh, you know what? Is there like a crystal play? Wait, do I need to do that? Can I is there like a crystal eval? Yeah, maybe that. It's going slowly, you know? it's not going, it's definitely not going as fast as I thought it would. From args or standard input? Oh, okay, so it's already running. Let me see, can I, what was I gonna do? Oh, time now. Time? No, it's not doing anything. Crystal M? Okay, crystal, play, what is play? Okay. Okay, that's not gonna help. Crystal, eval? Time now? Oh, did you mean new? There is a time class though. Crystal eval, time new. Time new. Okay. We gotta look that up. Crystal time. Oh geez, that's gonna be something so stupid. Or Ruby, jeez. Crystal lang time. Okay, perfect. Time now. There is a time. There is a time now. What the heck? Let's look at the learn. Maybe I should have let's do time. Okay. Maybe we'll do like date or something. Date time, dates. Wow. Logo. Time UTC. Crystal eval time UTC. Oh, nice. Okay, perfect. That worked. It didn't fail. puts time UTC. Yes, that's exactly what I wanted. Time UTC. How come I couldn't find that? That's so weird. Time UTC specification. Guides. Huh. It's weird that it doesn't have it in the thing. I guess I should have always used API docs. Crystal. Lang. API. Okay. Oh, so I was there. It was like a weird language version though. Time? Ah, much better. Now? Okay, perfect. But at least there's the time. Yes, this is what I was looking for. Time local. Oh my goodness, amazing. Okay, so like params 2h, params done at equals if it's yes, which I'm assuming that's okay. And then I'm assuming I could just do this. And then I'm assuming it'll say the record has been saved. It's compiling. Wait, did I save that? I didn't even know I saved it. No overload matches. Oh no. Okay, so I can't give it a hash, right? I don't think I can give it a hash. No overload matches. Hash string. I guess it doesn't like that. It's definitely looking for params. But I think I could do this inline maybe. Done at time UTC. Params.get done at equals yes or nil. I'm getting a little, I'm getting a little Ruby on it. Oh, okay. What is this? I don't think it did anything. It doesn't like what I'm doing. I don't understand what's happening. Okay, it doesn't like the type. With types, lucky params done at. Time or nil? Oh, because it's not nillable, right? So you'd pass in the params and pass that extra thing as a named arg to create. You do inside the operation though. Oh, would it? I didn't know what I should be doing with the operation. I didn't even know what was going on with that thing. Okay, let me go back to the operations here. Okay, HTTP and routing. Shoot, I lost the operations. Setting up an operation. All right, here we go. Allow params to be saved with permit columns. Create updating records, bulk updating. Upsert. Okay. Bramkey. Make done at into done at equals. Oh, really? Like that? But I think, oh, I see. Like actually assign it to something. But yeah, I mean, if it's something I do, oh, it's actually 2, right? It'd be nice if I could get the whole thing. It'd be nice if I do it in the operation though. I mean, create to do. No, it's operation save to do. So I could just define a method, right? Done at. I could probably override this somehow, right? Or maybe I could override create. Yeah, I'm not. I was like, what are you talking about? Okay, so let me. What are the attributes? Save user. Okay, so attributes defined do not return the value. They return the value of the attribute. Track changes. Save operation. Before save. Okay. Oh, I see. So I would do something like before save, right? And maybe I could just passing data without route params. params post ID. Pass extra data. Oh, here it is. Pass extra data to operations. Sometimes you need to pass extra data that aren't in the form. I mean, it is in the params, but it's like a checkbox, and I want it to be a time. You know what I'm saying? Because it's a to-do thing. So like you click this checkbox, and then you say, you know, learn crystal, right? And lucky, and then you check it, and then you click save, right? But yeah, so I want it to be. I want it to be a time and not like a checkbox, but I set the checkbox as new. What is it? New page. I set the checkbox as it's in the form fields. To do form fields. As I set it as no and yes. So I need to change it. So if it's no, right? Do you see what I'm saying? Yes. Okay, so let's see. Before save, assign user ID. Modified by ID. Assign user ID, modified by ID. To pass in an associated record. Okay. And then when you create the params. Oh, I see. So it. So I think I can. The operation. Wait. How would that assign user ID? Oh my gosh, this song. Current user, a user, params, assign user ID. Where does it get saved though? Modified by ID? I guess it just knows that the param is there, right? I'm assuming. All right. I think I ran into issues with using done as a different type attribute for a non-database field. Attribute. Some people say attribute, you know? Some people, I'm not one of those people, but sometimes it happens. Okay, let me see. What are attributes? Attributes defined in the operation do not return the value of the attributes. They return an Avram attribute that contains the value. Any errors, that it means no access. It means that to access the must call value on the attribute. All of the columns from the model exist in save operations as attributes, as well as any additional attributes specified. Okay, hold on, let me. Okay. Is this different than what I was looking at? Non-database column attributes. Oh, okay, so it's one below. Sometimes you want users to submit and saved. I mean, it is saved, right? But it's just different. Okay, so for this, I would say attribute. Am I here? Oh, there we go. Okay. Attribute done at time, and then before save, set done at. Let's see, a convert done at to time. Okay, def convert. Wait, I can just do before. It doesn't matter. I don't want to do a block. Convert done at to time. Okay, and then done at dot value equals time UTC if. Do I have params here? Wait, I don't think I. Oh, I don't need params. If done at equals yes. Wait, but I made it an attribute and not a thing. Oh, maybe I should make a different thing called just done, right? And then I should put that in the. Oh, but the columns. Oh, that's gonna be a column. Oh, maybe I don't want to permit done. But I want to say, oh, I see. Okay, I get it. So I want to have an attribute that's done. And then that one's just a string. It's actually a Boolean, but that's our, it's a bool, yeah. And then let me go back to the form. And then I could say, like false and true. Is that the thing? Let me see, I have no idea. The scenarios of the attribute would be is done or something. That's the standard. Now you're thinking. Yeah, no, it took me a second, right? Okay, so let me see. So attribute is done. I don't want to permit done at all, really. But I do want done at still as a thing. Yeah, and then I want to say if done is true, then done at value is time etc. Otherwise, don't do anything, right? Just set it to nothing, right? Okay, and then I don't need this end. What is that? And then keep saving. All the columns on to do exist within the operation. You don't need to define it. Yeah, but okay, so I don't need to define it. Okay, that's fine. Yeah, I see what you're saying. Okay, so it exists in the operator. I get what you're saying. So done at is here already, right? I don't have to do value either. I could just set it. Okay, so that's gonna be good, right? So we don't need to do this anymore. That was kind of weird. But this is looking good now, right? Okay, so let me it doesn't like it overloads our permitted attribute. Oh, it doesn't like that. Oh, I need the value. Okay. I guess I need the value on done, right? Not necessarily, but it doesn't like my checkbox, right? I changed it. I probably need form fields. This is gonna be done. We'll go back to no and we'll go back to no and yes, because I don't need it to be a bool. It could be a string. I don't care. Equals no. Yes, equals yes. Okay. Well, checkbox no overload matches checkbox with types. Because I'm still using the. Oh wait, no, I changed it to done. I think it's just compiling. Well, we're gonna be here for a while because the compiling on my computer is not a good thing. It's definitely a slow going process, that's for sure. It's definitely going. It's going. Oh man. So anyway, yeah. Go back to Svelte. Let's see. Yeah, Svelte has this thing that it's like a Svelte kit or something. Is that what it is? Svelte. Oh, there it is. Okay. Oh wow, this has a 3D thing too. Wow, look at that. It's got little pipes and everything. Look, a little fan, lights. Looks like a little apartment complex, right? Oh, you know what? I think this thing has failed. I don't think it is compiling. It doesn't like my checkbox with the attribute. Let me see attributes. Before save assign user ID non-database. Attribute password. Name email. But I'm gonna save to the database. That will be saved to the database. I don't think it's saved. Oh, it's not saved. Maybe I can do done at, right? I can just do that still. Okay, so it says compiling right here. But yeah, maybe it didn't, because that doesn't happen anymore, right? I changed it to done. I don't really know if it's a part of the operation, but it looks like it is. So the HTML. Oh my goodness. Okay, now it's saved. Okay, let's try it again. Oh, it's compiling again. Man, I wish I actually wonder now if I'm the only one who has incredibly slow compile times. It might be because of Docker. Oh, okay. Compiler optimizations, tracking, compiler crash. This was a long time ago. Oh, wait. Am I not the only one? Oh, I'm not alone? Okay, yeah. Honestly, I can't handle it. It's so slow. You know what? While I'm gonna, because the next thing I'm gonna do is like go. So let me, oh, there we go. Okay, yes, it compiled. Okay, let me close that. Yes, perfect. It's loading. Reloading browsers. Wait, done compiling. Did I accidentally save it? Did I? What am I doing? Anyway, so the next thing I'm gonna do is go, right? And then so I'm gonna do crystal for like a while, I think, and then I'm gonna do go. Dang, it's 9. Oh my gosh, it's 9:30. And then I'm gonna do like go. Oh, go is your next thing to learn. Yeah, okay. Yeah, because go I think has like their full stack framework is really interesting. It's Revel is one. There's a few, but Revel's like kind of the friendliest looking one. But it's definitely like, I don't know if it's even active anymore. Let's see. Yeah, like a year ago. Maybe it's just done. I don't know. Not Zippy did it, right? I mean, I don't know what that means, but yeah. Maybe Revel's not the thing to learn. I'm not sure. Let's see. But maybe it's just once a year. I have no idea. But it looks like it's okay. Yeah, I mean it looks like it could work. I always reference Buffalo, Golang Buffalo. And then after Go, I'm gonna get into Rust, I think. I'm gonna try Rust. Because, it's just the hype is real. Hello world. Oh, let me learn Crystal and Lucky. Save. I'm gonna laugh because this probably isn't gonna work. Save. Oh, it looks like the form is not valid. Yeah, failed to save. Validation errors done at is required. Is this because I changed it to permit columns? Done at is required. Is it required? How do I make it not required? First of all, wait. Inspect to do value yes, check true. Oh, okay, so to do done. Okay, so let me permit columns. Yeah, let me not do permit columns and see if that makes a difference. Okay, it's compiling. Yeah, so Revel looks cool. It looks like it could be okay. Go get Revel. But yeah, for me, it's gonna take a while because I've been using Rails for so long. I'm like, wait, what's happening? Revel new A? I don't know what that is, but yeah. Oh, you're running it. Okay, you're running the app. Okay, so let's see. Revel, create a new Revel application. So it just generates a bunch of files, I'm guessing. Handle request. Conf routes file. Oh my gosh, it's not even like Go. It's just a text file. That's incredible. That's amazing. And it's not like, okay, so what is this? Oh, controller method. Okay. Wow. That's something. Still compiling. But yeah, I'm hoping that, do I have Go on? I don't think I have Go on my computer. No, I don't. Oh, it's done compiling. As soon as I switch, it's done compiling. Okay. New to do, learn Lucky. Is done at optional in your model? No, it is not. It is not optional. Do I have to do that? Do I do this? Let's look at the table. Oh my gosh. Database models. Set defining a column. Skip default. Adding a column. Oh, there it is. I was right. It's a question mark. All right. More compiling. Anyways, yeah. So let's see. Conf routes. You're not saying it's optional when the operation. Yes. Okay, that makes sense. I'm actually kind of getting the hang of this now. Except the slow compile times are really. I'm just getting distracted and I'm just looking at other things. Let's see. Get app home a simple path. Okay. Validation, server engine, WebSockets, database, event hooks. On app stop. Okay, hooks. Let's see. Go Buffalo. Rapid web development in Go. Yes, I was already here. A Go web development ecosystem. It has routing. Does anyone ever actually read this stuff? Like, I feel like no one. Hot code reload. Oh, that's what I'm taught. This is what I need in my life. I need that. Let's see. Where is it? Hot code. Hot code reload. I clicked the thing. Hot code. I clicked the hot code reload, but it didn't. It took me to some weird thing. I don't know what that is. Okay, it didn't take me anywhere, so it doesn't exist, I guess. Let's see. Get started. Back end, front end. Buffalo is the glue. Mux is one of the most used routers. With some routers are faster. Most features. Mux. Okay. What is Mux? The Gorilla Toolkit is looking for a new maintainer. That's funny. Well, now I'm kind of like, who makes this? Is it a person? Gorilla. Okay. Okay, so it's a whole toolkit thing. Pop is the default ORM for Buffalo. It provides the soda toolbox. Oh, it's done. Okay. Yeah, what I should do is stop messing around with freaking full stack frameworks, and I should do some machine learning, you know? With after Copilot takes over. Wait, schema mismatch. Oh my gosh, I have to make the column optional in the migration too. Migration. Gotta roll back. Lucky DB rollback. Let me go back to the migration here. Done at time. Okay. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna get this eventually. But yeah, each compile is like, I didn't really time it, but it feels like it's 30 or maybe a minute, 30 seconds or a minute. It's quite a bit. Pop is the default ORM. It provides the soda toolbox. I don't know what that means. None of this makes any sense to me. A tasty treat for all your database needs. Pop. Oh, like soda pop, like the Midwest. That's amazing. Okay. Wraps the absolute amazing SQL X library. All right, libraries and libraries, general purpose. SQL X feel the same as database SQL. DB statement, name statement, rows, row. Query 101. Okay. Visit. Okay, so I can't see it. Plush is the default template. ERB templates. Hey. Okay, rollback. We're gonna migrate. Oh yeah, I missed the database thing. You said database / model. I just said model. That's Go's most attractive feature. It's supposed to compile super fast. Oh, the hot code reload. Right. Oh, the compiling. Yes. Packer is a Go bundler for your static out of the packer aims to produce a final binary with everything embedded in it. That's pretty cool. Bootstrap, jQuery, classic. Webpack is known. Oh, I'm not do that. Configured by default. Oh my goodness. Why? All right. Anyway, let's see tutorials. Yeah, I might on Thursday. I might just go straight to Go. I don't know. My crystals kind of get me down with the slow compile times. Like I'm still trying to migrate the thing because I made a mistake, and like every mistake, I'm feeling punished. I'm just punished because I'm a dummy, and it's like, oh, there we go. Okay, here we go. All right, so we're good. I think now. So if I resave this, it'll probably recompile. I think. Maybe. Maybe I have to like add a line like thing. Nope. Okay. Oh, you can skip schema check. Okay, well. Yeah, I don't might just do that actually too. just because. Yes, perfect. Skip schema enforcer. That's what I'm talking about. Heck yeah, I'm into that. All right, so now we're compiling again, being punished one more time. Like just getting this to-do thing, like my workflow is like not the same. It doesn't match up with Crystal's, the way Crystal works. It's crazy. Vue.js with Buffalo, Buffla, URL shortener. Oh, these are the tutorials. I was like, what am I looking at? To do. That's what I want to see. Obligatory to do application. Yes. Okay, so it just shows you the code. Yeah, I'm okay with that. Let's see. Main actions to do actions log. Ooh, oh, Go. That's what I hate about Go is the exceptions. Oh man, dude, I don't like that. Like, I mean, check out the friggin'. Okay, wait. Is done at optional in your model? Oh wait. Is it wrong though? Wait, is what wrong? Oh, is Crystal wrong? Yeah, no, it's definitely not wrong for sure. Like, if I was a lot smarter, I could like really work with this, but I'm not doing it. All right, here we go. Learn Crystal and Lucky. All right, save. Oh my gosh, it worked. That's it. Stream's over. I'm gonna retire while I'm on top here. Oh my goodness, incredible. I'm making to-dos. I'm making to-dos right now. Yes. Back to all to-dos. Amazing. Amazing. And I can delete them too, because I didn't write that code. Yes, perfect. Amazing. I can't believe, like, it took me an hour. 3 days. Well, that's true. Wait, okay, so it was Docker at first. But then, I mean, you know, it only took me an hour once I got Docker working to like do the thing. Okay, so, but it's 3 days like consecutively, but it's 3 hours, cause like, or maybe like 4 or 5 hours. Okay, like, cause I did a little bit off stream too. All right, so that's it. Like, I totally understand Crystal now. I understand that I don't like it. I've tried it. I've seen. I've conquered. I wish the compile time, I wish my computer was faster, because I do want to love it, but I don't feel like getting punished every time I make a mistake. All right, that's it. So Thursday is gonna be, I think it's gonna be Go day. It's gonna be Go time on Go, but I think I shouldn't start with like a web framework. Maybe I should. Oh, you know what? This has Docker Compose. maybe I can do it. Maybe. Oh, you know what? You know what I like about Golang? This guy, the SQLite guy. It's like a video using a production. Is that a thing? I have to look that up. But anyway, before Rush, you should try natively compiled Kotlin. Native compiled Kotlin. Okay. Oh, they actually finished that Kotlin native thing, huh? I remember they were working on it for a while. Cool. Kotlin native is a technology for compiling Kotlin code to native binaries which can run without a virtual machine. Kotlin native includes an LLVM-based backend, blah, 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 primarily designed to allow compilation platforms. Virtual machines are not desirable, blah, blah, blah. Kotlin native supports the following platforms. Cool. Yeah, this looks cool. I'm into it. Kotlin, what is Kotlin? Kotlin's cool to have the Java parts. Isn't that's the same for Clojure too. Oh, you know what? I like Kotlin's webpage. Hey, I love it. You know what? Like, look at this code. Bam. I wish the code was the first thing, but you know, what are you gonna do? Oh, you can even run it. Oh my gosh, I just ran Kotlin code. I'm programming Kotlin right now in the website. Stranger danger. Look at that. Amazing. Oh, I do like the syntax a little bit though. It's not bad. Asynchronous suspend. A function that can be suspended and resumed. Ooh, that's interesting. Create a scope for starting coroutines. Oh, coroutines. It's like Go channels. It's like Go channels. Start hanging current task. Pause their execution. Wow. This is pretty cool. I like that. This is pretty nice. So it's probably just going to be like a bunch of stuff out of order, right? Yeah. Actually, no. Countdown? Liftoff? Oh, interesting. Object-oriented. Oh, abstract. Yes, perfect. We need some interfaces too. Heck yeah, that's what I like. I want to see some abstract interfaces. Oh, I'm going to inherit so many things. Yeah, I can try Kotlin. I'd be down with that. What's Kotlin's web framework? I don't know why I'm obsessed with web frameworks. It's like familiar territory. Let's see. Full stack Kotlin web frameworks. Blah blah blah. Let's see. GitHub. What kind of name? GitHub. Actually, I probably shouldn't do that. Let's see. Button on left click. Oh, that's interesting. Server focused. Makes you happier. Oh, it's like a not even Kotlin. All right. Well, anyway, I will try Kotlin on Thursday, maybe. I don't know, but I really want to try Go. I want to, maybe I'll try both because I really want to compare the compile times to Crystal, and I'm sure it's gonna be faster. All right, so that's it. I hope that you didn't learn anything, but I hope you had. I don't know how to even say it. All right, so that's it. Thanks, Matt, for watching. I appreciate it. I'll be back on Thursday.